Hello and welcome to yet another video on Claude, presented by your mentor, Vivek. Quick question. What happens when you ask Claude for a discount calculator? Most tools would dump a wall of code into the chat. Claude opens a window beside the conversation and hands you a working calculator. Buttons, logic, everything. That window is called an artifact. Today, we master it. So what is an artifact? A standalone piece of work, a document, a page, a little app in its own dedicated window next to the chat. Rendered and usable, not scrolled away between messages. And Claude decides on its own when to make one. The signals. The output is substantial, roughly 15 lines or more. You'll likely edit or reuse it, and it stands alone as a complete piece. No artifact appeared? One magic phrase fixes it. Create this as an artifact. Say that, and Claude moves the work into its own window. Simple. Artifacts come in 6 shapes: documents, markdown or plain text, code, any language you name, and single file HTML pages, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript running live. Then the visual family: SVG images, mermaid diagrams, flowcharts, sequence diagrams, Gantt charts, org charts, and the star of the show, React components, real interactive apps with working logic. Now, a contrast people mix up constantly. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, those are not artifacts. That's Claude's separate file creation ability, and those arrive as downloads, not windows. Your artifact works. Now get it out. The simplest roots live right in the window. Copy the content or download it as a file. On team and enterprise plans, there's org sharing. Teammates open it after signing in, so it stays inside the company. And for the world, publish it as a public link. Only the version you select goes public. The chat behind it stays private. Viewers need no Claude account. Search engines don't index it, and you can unpublish anytime. 3 habits make artifacts shine. 1. Be specific. At Brightcart, I didn't say make a calculator. I asked for a sale price calculator with a discount slider and a final price display. 2. Tell Claude who will use it. 3. Iterate one change at a time, not 5. Your homework: build one artifact for your own work today. Next unit, skills. Teaching Claude to follow your playbook the same way every single time. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening, and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.